Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF1696 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Reinstall the hose clamp. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the hose. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.